Today, I'm going to guide you through how to manage pages and menus on your Wix website, step by step, in a simple and relaxing way. First, open your Wix website and let the editor load. On the left side, click on Pages and Menu. This is where you can organize everything to make your site look clean and professional. If you want to rearrange your pages, just select a page and drag it under another page. This will automatically create a subpage. It's a quick and easy way to structure your site. If you want to add new pages based on your own style or needs, click Add Page. Take a moment. Then choose the type of page you prefer and select a template that fits the design you're going for. Once you're done, your site's menu and pages will be neatly organized and ready for your visitors. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.